Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's trying to tackle the telltale signs of aging, like wrinkles, fine lines, and dark spots, you may have heard of the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair line. It's a product that promises to make a difference by incorporating retinol, a gold standard in anti-aging skincare. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break down the essentials and see if this anti-aging duo really delivers. So, what exactly are we working with? The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Face and Neck Night Moisturizer, paired with the Rapid Wrinkle Repair Under Eye Cream, brings together two key players in the fight against aging: retinol and hyaluronic acid. The night moisturizer is formulated with accelerated retinol SA, which is known for being a bit more potent than traditional retinol, and hyaluronic acid to help hydrate the skin. Meanwhile, the under eye cream focuses specifically on the delicate skin around your eyes, where fine lines and crow's feet are most noticeable. Now, when we talk about the ingredients, the combination of retinol and hyaluronic acid is really the star of the show. Retinol, as we know, is a powerhouse when it comes to skin renewal. It helps increase cell turnover and smooths out those wrinkles and fine lines. Hyaluronic acid, on the other hand, is all about hydration. It draws moisture to the skin, giving it that plumped up, youthful look. Together, they're meant to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and even dark spots over time. In terms of real-world use, I've been incorporating both of these products into my routine for a few weeks now. The night moisturizer has a smooth texture that absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling hydrated without any greasy residue. I used it every evening, just before bed, after cleansing and toning. The texture feels slightly rich but not overwhelming, which is perfect for nighttime hydration. As for the under eye cream, it's lightweight and absorbs quickly too. I applied it directly onto my under eye area, dabbing gently. You know how retinol can sometimes cause irritation in sensitive areas? Well, I did notice a tiny bit of redness at first, but after about a week, my skin adjusted, and there was no further irritation. I've definitely noticed that my crow's feet have softened, and that area seems smoother overall. Dark circles also appear a little brighter, although I wouldn't say they're completely gone. One thing I have to mention, both products are fragrance-free, which I really appreciate because fragrance can sometimes irritate the skin. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: the retinol is potent but gentle enough for sensitive skin, especially around the eyes. The hyaluronic acid gives the skin a nice, hydrated feel without any stickiness. The pump bottle for the night cream makes it easy to control the amount you use, which is always a plus. The eye cream specifically targets crow's feet and dark circles, making it a great option for anyone concerned with these issues. Cons: you need to be patient. The product claims visible results in as little as 1 week, but I'd say it took me about 2 weeks to really see the smoothness of the fine lines improve. The night moisturizer is a bit on the pricier side for its size, especially considering it's a drugstore brand. Retinol can be drying, so it's important to follow up with a good moisturizer if you have dry skin. When it comes to value for money, I have mixed feelings. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair products aren't the cheapest on the market, but they do deliver on their promises, especially for those who are committed to retinol-based skincare. Given the effectiveness and the reputation of Neutrogena's formula, the price is somewhat justified, though it's something to consider if you're on a tighter budget. Now, there are definitely alternatives if you're looking for something more affordable. For example, brands like CeraVe or Rosé also have solid retinol products, and they tend to be priced a little lower. They may not have the exact combination of ingredients, but they can still help with the same concerns: fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is straightforward but effective. The pump for the night cream is sturdy and dispenses just the right amount of product. The under eye cream tube is slim and easy to use. Both products feel high quality, and the ingredients are sourced with care, which is expected from a brand like Neutrogena. Longevity is something I was curious about as well. I've been using these products for about 3 weeks, and I've barely made a dent in either of the tubes. I'm confident these will last me a good while, even with regular use. So you're definitely getting your money's worth in terms of product longevity. I didn't have any direct experience with Neutrogena's customer service for this review, but given the brand's widespread presence, I'd expect responsive service should you need it. If I had to recommend this product to someone, I'd say it's ideal for those starting to notice the first signs of aging, whether you're concerned with fine lines, wrinkles, or dark spots. If you're already using retinol in your routine, this could be a great addition, especially for its eye-specific formula. However, if you're looking for something at a lower price point, you might want to check out some alternatives. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair line, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it work for you? What results did you see? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.